Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last video I will show you how to make an academics menu like a class, subject, assign class, subject. Make inside drop down, so look like a small menu sidebar. So in this video I will explain how to create a class timetable because we need to make a class timetable. Okay, this is the class and this is the subject. So this class inside what's the timetable? We need to put here class timetable. So we need to create here like a new menu class timetable. After class timetable wise we need to make same like this logic, like you can choose the one class and this class again you need to found the all the subject, and once you can found the subject, so you need to add a like a time, like a 7 week days, like a Monday, Tuesday, Friday. I already write something Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Wednesday, Tuesday. Okay, I made some mistakes, Saturday and Sunday. So in this video we can make like a class timetable. So first of all we need to create here new menu inside header. Okay, let's make some zoom out. So go down and we can use inside academies. So just go small zoom outs and we can create a here new menu class timetable. Just copy these ones and put here and just copy these words. Otherwise I already write words, so you want to write, so please write class timetable. And I also use segments glue class timetables. And here you can make a class timetable list and add it. We can do everything. Just we can make like admin slash class timetable slash list. So also we need to make here segment because we need to make a active. So just copy these ones and put here, and here you can change class timetable. Okay, let's copy same things and put above, like main menu will be open. Okay, I think here is the everything is good. So let's go back again, refresh the page and check. Here is the menu there, cannot there. Okay, menu is there properly, no issue. Class timetable. Let's click on the class timetable. So I click inside. So route, I can't find the routes. So let's create for these routes. So just go to routes, inside you need to go web.php and inside you need to create routes. I think we need to create here routes. So here is because we already did like assign subjects, so here we can create a route. Class timetable list, and here also we can create a new controller class timetable controller. So let's change here class timetable controller. Inside you can see list. So let's open your terminal and let's go to back again projects. 1 minute. I just find my project. Where's the projects? Adjunts inside docs, inside schools.com. So here is my projects. So I open a terminal. Okay, I just type PHP artisan make controller, and I already copy controller name. Okay, one, I think I made mistakes. I am not copying, and I put here. Okay, class timetable controller. Now once class timetable controller created, after we need to do inside list function. So controller successfully created. So let's go to HTTP inside controller. Inside you can see it here class timetable controller. Just you need to create a one function list, and we need to view the file. Same like we can go here class subject controller. So just copy these two lines and put it, and just change here title class timetable. Okay, and here we need to change assign subject to class timetable because we need to create a one folder. So let's go to admin side. Admin side we need to create a new folder class timetable, and inside we need to create a list.blade.php. Okay, so let's create. I think I made a spelling mistake. I just make a rename blade. Okay, I just go back again. I refresh the page. So I think one error generated because we are not declare this class timetable controller here. So just go back up and declare it. I think now it's good. I refresh the page, so it's showing the blank list because here our list file is a blank. Just go to here, assign subject, you can go here and just copy and paste here. And also you need to remove everything, we don't need it now. Just close and open again, so look like better. Okay, just I can remove the everything, we don't need anything right now. Just remove. And here also we don't need like reset all. Okay, no problem, just need to remove the like dates. Let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see here assign class list. Just you can change like a class timetable list, and here we can make like add new class timetable. And here we can change the route assign subject to class timetable. Okay, let's refresh the page. So you can see it here, we have changed. Here you can make like assign subject to search class timetable. We need to use for the drop down, but right now we don't want to do. We need to make like here drop down. Also we need to make here drop down. We don't need a like a date filter. I already removed the date filter. We don't need now date filter. Okay. So reset also we can change this link like assign subject to class timetable. I refresh the page now. Look like a better. I just click on the add new class timetable. So this is the URL not created, this route not created. So let's create a new routes. Go to web, inside just find this controller, where is the web put, and you can add here like a add, and just we can create a new function here add. Go to class timetable controller, and inside you need to create a one add function, and just copy and put here. So add class timetable, and we have created like add blade.php. Need to create a new file. So just go to insights and just you need to open the new files and create this add blade.php. Okay, file successfully created. Just you can copy same as listing because we don't want to use like the other one, and paste here. We don't need to message, so just remove. I refresh the page. Okay, I don't need it. This is the button, so go back up and remove the button. We don't need anything, and here just like a add class timetables. Refresh the page, and here we need to make like a search, and whatever you can search, and here we can find out like a weekday. So just go to Google and search weekday list. So he will give me the weekday list like a 7 weekdays. I'll go to Wikipedia and let's show, not Wikipedia, I think something else. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So same thing I did here. You can see it here. I just go to here. You see it. So we have made a like 2 times. Let's Monday, Tuesday. We just did not did Friday. So let's add here Friday. Okay, so this is the 7 weekdays, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we need to create one table for this one like a week. So let's go to our database and we can create a one table week go. So week go, here we can make a ID, here you can make like name, here you can make created X, and here you can make updated X. Just here you can make like a 2 5, and here null, same like here also null, here also null, and here you can see the date and time. I am not creating like a CRUD system for this one, just add inside data, so we can use it dynamically. Okay, and here is the auto increment. I save now, so table is created. So let's go to week tables and go to inserts and just add all the week. Monday, just save, go to weeks and copy one by one, because we don't want to make a crude, so we can add here everything. Do you want to make a crude, so same thing you can use, like how to create admin, like this you can do it. Okay, so let's make one by one. Okay, now it's done. I think it's good now. 7 days we have added inside database. I think we also don't need to add one, because I am thinking, suppose here we can make here drop down, select class, and here in subject, after click on the search, so we need to show here week, here is the start time, end time, and room number. We can add here. Whatever you can search here, you can find out. Here we can provide like update button, so he can update. So let's remove like other code we did. We don't need now. I think my way. Suppose I can do like short way, so we don't need now. Just remove this. We have did in last few seconds, so it's not taking time. Just remove. Okay, we don't need. Now, where is the delete button? Okay, delete files. Okay, I remove it. Okay, so like look like it's better. Just go to back and click in the class timetable list, and here we don't need these buttons. So just go to back again to list, and we need to remove this one. Don't write like a list, just like a look like simple class timetable, which is not listing. So here we need to make like a drop down class name, and after you can choose the class name, so we need to find the subject name, same like we have already done inside assign subject. Suppose you can go like a add new assign subject, so this is the class, what subject is there, so we need to show here. Okay, so let's make a first class name drop down. So just go to class timetable controller, and you can go like a assign class. So let's go to assign class teachers. You can go, so also there is a class drop down. Just copy this drop down and put here, and you can put here also use app slash model slash class model. So you can refresh the page, so you can see working very well, no issue. Okay, now you need to set like a get class inside a listing. So just go to listing, and inside you make like a select box, select class from controllers, and here you can make it option value select. Okay, I think it's good now. And here you can make like a for each loop as a dollar class, and you can put here end for it. Here just copy and put here. Here type like a class ID, and here you can do like a class name. So I think here is name. Okay, and rest of thing we need to remove it, don't need now. Okay, look like a simple. So just refresh, and you can see it here part time SS1 SS2 SS2. Okay, okay, part time. Suppose I can choose here part time, so we need to show here subject whatever there inside assign subjects. So suppose I can choose here part time, so whatever I here I assign the subject, we want to show. Suppose I search here SS2 inside assign subjects, so you can see it like a this is the also matching, because we have made a light 12 this reason. So we need to show only social study and mathematics, so you can see it here. Okay, so let's make a here Ajax wise drop down. So you can choose this one. So we need to run the Ajax, and Ajax wise we need to find out the subject name. So let's create one Ajax. So we can create a here get class. One is a class. Okay, same like here we are creating class, and this is the name also class. So just we create a get class, and here we can write a one Ajax. Okay, so we already had I think before. Let's go to layout and check. And let's go to layout. Where is the layouts? Here inside go to app. We already used yield style, and we already use I think yield script. So let's try same thing. just copy section and put here, also put here this one, and you can change to here style, same like you can do here. We made add content, so same thing we are doing like a style. You can make like here script. Okay, so this is the scripting inside. We need to make a get class, and we just you can change the class. So we need to find the subjects here. Okay, so let's make a ajax code dot change, because we are using the change function. Okay, so I will create here only ajax. So let's make a, we need to find the value, where value is equal to $this dot where. So what I write, $this means this is the class. Whatever you can change event, so whatever value here there, this data we can get inside value. So let's make a console log so I can show you. Let's go back again, refresh the page, and I create means I open the spec element, I go to console and I clear. Okay, just I change part time, so you can see it like a 3, means this is the part time ID is a 3. So I go to SS1, so is ID 1. So whatever I search here, means whatever I change here, so automatically get here ID, because we have made a here like a jQuery code. jQuery code inside we need to make here Ajax code. So Ajax code I have write before, because I know we need to use this reason I did here. I just copy this Ajax code and I put here. So value means value, and we don't want to use this one, just remove. Okay, so you can see it here Ajax code $Ajax, inside we have write URL. So this URL we need to use our URL. So what is our URL? Admin class timetable get subject. Here you can write get subject. Okay, so here is the type is post method, and we are using the token, because this is the CHRF token. Without is Laravel not working, so we are using the security reason we need to use a token. And after here make it like a class ID. This is the, you can write your words, and also you can put here class ID, here also you can put class ID. Okay, here the data type is equal to JSON, and we can find out success response. So this response we need to put here. So let's remove, we don't want to need this one now. Just copy above one and here put, and here you can change like a get subject. Okay, I just put like this. Now no issue, get subjects, and here we can make name is equal to subject ID, and also you can make your name like a class ID, and both of these required, so you can make like required. Okay, I think now good. Okay, let's go back again, and we need to create for these routes. Let's show you first, after we can create a routes. Let's go back again, I refresh the page, and here I just close this one, means remove this one. I can change part time. So you can see it, here is a one Ajax calling, but here showing the 404 not found, means this is the URL not found. So we need to create for this URL inside a web.php. Just copy, and you can check, we can close this one, we don't need anymore. Like this is the URL, copy and paste inside web.php, and here you can change like a get subject. We need to create a new function. So let's go to class controller, inside you can create functions, get subject. Here you need to use a request, and this is the request here already declared. So let's try how it looks. Okay, dd request dot auth. So let's back again, refresh the page, and we can change the class again. So let's change the class. So you can choose a part time. I will change the class 405 method not found, not allowed, because we have made a dd this reason. So you can see it like okay, we just need to change get to post, because here we have used a post method. You can see it here. Okay, so let's change again class. So you can see it here response, we will get a data proper way. You can see it header inside 500 internal server because of the we have made a dd this reason, like we have get the class id. So this class id again mean to get all the subjects. So let's go to assign subjects, assign class subjects, means class subjects. So here's the one number id means the for subject there here. So this 7462, this is the subject we need to get here. Okay, so let's go to inside controller and we need to make here query because we are getting here class id. So let's go to class subject controller. I think we have write here something query before, so we don't want to write again. So let's go to class subject models insights. Here's a get record, here's a my subjects. I think you can use it, this one also is good because we have already done before. Because my subject you can make a class id and class subject inside class id wise you can get it my subject. So you can see it here. Let's see again. I think it's class subjects, subject.name subjects. Okay, it's good. Now no issue. You can using this query. Before I already write query, but I will explain how to use this query. Okay, so just go to here, class subject controller close, and we can declare here this controller, and we can use here get and just close. We don't need my subject. This one, and here we only get a class id. So just you can pass like a class id. So what we did, I can explain now. Here you can make it like get subject one variable. Get subjects. Okay. So inside this is the model class subject model. Inside we have created my subject. So my subject inside what we did before we did this function means this is the query class subject. So this is the class subject. Okay, so class subject inside we have made a two join query. One is a subject, so this is the subject id again join query you can see. One is a class id wise join query you can see. Also we have made like a created by join query means user table inside who is created for this record, and we have checked class subject inside class id because this is the class id. Whatever we are changing here, like I go whatever we are changing here, what class id I got it, this class id I have passed inside argument means parameter, and this parameter we are using here like a where query, and also make some status like he is active, he is not deleted, and order by we have made a class id this dsc order. So old one is going to first. Okay, so this is the join query. So let's create here html. So this html we need to pass inside here. Okay, so for each is a $value. So I create here $html variable. Inside I can pass same thing, go to list and just copy subject name. So just copy like select, okay, and put inside. Same thing you need to put here like a value. I think something mistake here. And say double quotes like a subject ID. Subject ID. And here you can use a subject name. It's not taking time. And subject name. So just go to here. What we need subject name. So here you can make subject name. Again, we also make a concept because also all the loop working. So this is the variable inside all things storage. This reason we have make a concat, and here you can make like a JSON dot means JSON inside HTML. Inside you need to pass for this variable. After you need to make echo JSON answer. So you can see it here. Okay, I think everything is good. Let's go to list and let's first refresh, and I can show you how it's work. Okay, I refresh the page. Oh, something syntax error. Let's go back again. Checks HTML option select. What is the error? $HTML value select. Let's go back again. Check. I think so. Issue about the like this is double quote. Other issues I can't see. Let's refresh the second page and check. Okay, this is the issue because we have made double quote here and after we are using single quote here. This is it. Okay, now it's good. I just refresh the page and I will change the class name. So you can see it, I will get the all the data about the subject. So let's make here like a inside subject, whatever response I will get inside server. So just go to list and just copy the get subject and you can use it like a dot html response dot html because we have passed here html. You can see it here and this is the html. You can see it here. Okay, sorry, we have passed json data because of the data type we have used a json. Let's back again, refresh the page and I can change the class part-time. So you can see it here. You can find out the all the information about the part-time. This part-time we have these subjects. Suppose you can go inside here assign subjects and you can select here part-time, search part-time. So you can see it like all the subject about a part-time. Okay, so it's working very well, no issue. Now I click on the home economics and I click on the search. So this is the data we have get here, class id and subject id. This class id and subject id data is there, so we need to make here autofill and we also need to show here data about this class id and this class id again we need to show here subject. So let's make a this query first. So here we can make like a request get class id one is equal to class id and also in the selector. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page and you can see it part-time is selected because the inside get method is a 3 number is there. So here is a 3 number is the auto selection. Now we need to first show here a subject name, after we need to show here drop down list. Okay, so let's go back again, go to class controller, just copy this one and put here and here you can change the word data get subjects and here you can make one condition if is not empty request.get class, so going to inside and here you can write request. Okay, so here we are getting the all this subject about this class because here we have already passed like class id inside server, so we need to show here subject name. So let's go to inside the list and just copy because we don't want to waste of time about typing. Just copy and go to again back and just change this one's get class and here you can change like subject and you can make like a subject.id here subject id because this is the data we are getting for subject id wise subject id and here you also make a subject name. Okay, let's go back again and refresh the page. So see how it works and we can check like here also make subject id, so auto selection automatic works. Let's go back again and refresh the page. So you can see data is found also is showing, but I will make a reset. So you can see it here generating one error because get subject not found because this condition is now not true. Okay, so we need to make here one query like a not query, we need to make here conditions inside list if get subject is not empty. So I just make like this one condition. Let's copy again because I think something else I copied before and end it. Okay, I think now it's good. I refresh the page so you can see it now not generate any error. So let's make again ss1. Here you can select the English language, click on the search. Okay, so we have got the class id, we have got the subject id. So class id and subject id wise we need to show here our timetable. So it's a table showing, like here showing the like Monday, Tuesday, Friday, like weekday, and here showing the start time, here showing the end time, here showing the roll. So let's make a here table. So first of all, you need to create a one week models. So let's create a 1 week model. So go to your terminal, just type php artisan make model week model and press enter. So this model successfully created. So just go to inside models, inside you can see it week model. Just copy student one and put here week model inside. So I can put here, and I just changed to week. And here also I write one function like a static function get wrappers. Okay, I think now good. So we can make return self means above class name, get means all the data, otherwise you can make like this. Okay, so you can get the all the data here. So let's go to inside class timetable controller. Here you can declare, and you can get the data about week. I can make here $data. I think just because we need to make here for loop first. For means week model inside get wrappers. Let's copy. So here we are getting the all the week name. Okay, so just we need to first create a one array, because array wise we need to check. Okay, before is already there data with entry, so we need to show here. So let's show in the first array like simple array, like we need to make a week is equal to array, and we need to make for this for each loop as a $value inside $data id means is week id, value is equal to id, and also you need to pass like year name, otherwise week name, and here we can do like week id, so it look like a better, and here you can change to name, and this data you need to pass inside week. Here data w, because this is the data what we already used, and this variable we have already used before above. So like this is the array null, and we can pass to here. Okay, let's refresh the page and check how to get the data. Let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it inside array we can find out the Monday, Tuesday, everything we can find out for 1 week, means week data. So data dot week is equal to $week. Okay, so let's go to list inside. I go to list inside and I will make for the one table. So let's go to any other. I go to admin list. Where is the admin list? Inside you can make like a list thing. So just copy this table name. Okay, we have closed the form. So here you can put, and we don't want to use like heads, so just remove heads, and we don't want to use like this one, so close this one. I think we need to use, so we can use it. Let's close also this one, we don't need this one. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page, and let's see how it's show. So you're showing the admin tables, means we need to change here class table, class timetable, and here we make like a for each loop for whatever data we are getting inside week array. So dollar for each week as a $value, and for each. Okay, here we can use like tr. Inside we first we need to get th, because we need to use a th for the week name. So value inside we can get a week name. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like this, all the week name you can get here. Now I think we need to use also head, so it's good, th head. Here you can like here and th, like here week, here is the like start time, here is the end time, and also you need to make a room numbers. Let's go back again, refresh the page so we can see here. Okay, week means that this is the, we need to here start time, end time, and room number. After we can put here like a submit button. So this is the class name, this is the subject name. Against whatever we are filling start time, end time, and room number, this data we can store inside new table. So we need to create a new table, and after we can store. So let's create now one by one all the column PD 1, 2, 3. Okay, input input type is equal to time, and here you can make start time, and class will do form control. Same thing you can do here, same thing you can do here, but here you can change to text, and here you can make like a end time. I think we need to create for this array, but this is the array how to make to save in the database. I will explain next video, but in this video I will make a format. Okay, so here also you can make text, inside you can do like start time, end time. Here you can make like a roll number. So let's refresh the page and checks how it looks show. It's very big roll number. Let's make some width, like style width is equal to like 150 px. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page. I can make like a 200 is good, look like a better. So here you can like a, here we can to choose the start time, end time, and roll number. We can add for the day wise, and let's make here like a submit button, so look like a better. So after table we can mix. Let's try here button class within btn primary submit. Let's go back again, refresh the page. So here showing, let's make his right side look like a better. So let's make a, here make a div style text align right. I go back again, refresh the page. So it's going to right side. Some padding we can provide a padding 20 px, so it look like a better. Okay, so here we can click on the submit button, so automatic all the data save inside. I think we can make center look like a better, so we can see. So let's go back again, refresh the page. So center. Okay, I click on the submit. So whatever information I will set inside start time, end time, room number, this is all the information we can store inside database, and after we can show here like whatever database before we add entry inside database. Suppose Monday week, and this is the class name, and this is the subject. So what I add before start time and end time, this is that we can show here. I make a reset, so same thing look show. So we need to make one query. Suppose I get a class name and subject name I get, so we need to show, otherwise we don't want to show. So let's go back again, and we can make like here query request get is not empty, and if request get is not empty, and then same thing, the subject id is not empty, so going to inside, otherwise no need to go inside. Okay, so let's go back again, and we can make like a, and if here let's back again and refresh the page. So you can see it here not found. I can choose a ss1, and I can choose any class, and subject. After I click on the search, so you can see it, and after you can choose and submit. Some people thinking, some student is thinking right now, why he did here error like this, because we can use directly this function in a list one, because of the whatever data we add inside a database like start time. So we can add here, like we need to make query, and we can add a start time, also we can like end time, and also we can make like a room number. So what database inside there cannot there, so this reason I use here a one array, create a own array, and after own array wise we need to show inside listing. So I hope you can understand all the class timetable like basic parts. Now next video I can do for you whatever you can add here information, and after click on the submit button, this data we can save inside a database. So we can continue in next video, because this video is going to very big. I hope do you want to like this video, so please like. Do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.